What's going on, guys? Riley Pearson or Pearson Visuals coming at you with another speed art. This was my first big Blender project I attempted. I just asked my mom what her ideal dream house would be, and she said, "But cabin in the woods type thing." She gave me a lot of other details, but I realized how difficult it would be. So I'm like, "You just got a house in the middle of the field, next to a lake, and that's about it." Give me a break. It's my first Blender project, like big one, so obviously it's not fantastic, but hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. If you did, leave a like, comment anything you like, and any tutorials you want to see. Subscribe for more videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you very much.